All right, guys, what's up? It's Kenny here. If I was sanding something small, I would use a hand sander, but since I'm sanding a tank that looks like a septic tank, that's the size of a home, I'm pulling out the big gun. What's up, guys? It's Kenny at Newman Tractor. We're working on a Volvo 8,000-gallon water tank. It's covered in corrosion. You could do this by hand with a DA, but you're gonna miss half the errors if you try to do it with a hand sander. So we're gonna sandblast this stuff today. This is a reason why we're blasting it. I mean, there's so many just little nooks and crannies. You can try to do it by hand, but I mean, honestly, you're gonna miss more than half of it. Just pull out the sandblaster, knock her out. We all know in this business, time is money. I blast with extra fine coal slag, and you can see it's very, very fine. And what's cool, it doesn't ping up the metal. It's EPA-friendly. These bags are 50 pounds. You will lift a lot. Picking up these things all day, every day, these things can get you in shape very fast. So this is my pot. It holds my sand or my coal slag. It holds 600 pounds. Normally this thing runs around 35 minutes. So the air compressor here feeds that hopper with air, and it also feeds them on my helmet. So all of my air for sandblasting comes off of this air compressor here. This is my fresh air helmet. A little meter there, we can turn it to hot or cold, just depending on the outside, you know what you want. So when you're blasting, just stay away from cylinders, cereal plates, and glass. You don't want that stuff all peppered up. Seriously? I love sandblasting. It's a nasty job, but I love doing it. You do it and your day goes by so fast, seriously, so fast. Our machine's all blasted. We're gonna take it inside, blow it off, and get it ready for paint. You can see the size of the stuff I sandblast and the size of our sandblast facility. If you need anything sandblasted, give me a call, shoot me an email. If you like what you see, drop a comment, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.